Hello. Most of you have heard about Brandi Levy. If not, she was a high school cheerleader. She was on the junior varsity team, and when she didn't get picked for the varsity team, she posted on Snapchat an angry rant saying, F cheerleading, F this, F that. And she was actually suspended for a full year from the junior varsity team. She took her case to court, stating that it violated her First Amendment rights, her freedom of speech. And today, it was announced by the Supreme Court that they agree with Brandi, and they ruled in her favor, which is a great thing for mental health. It's a great thing for all of you out there that suffer from anxiety and depression, because even though she was angry, we know that when people freely express their emotions, it's actually good for their mental and physical health. Certainly, there are right and wrong ways to express your emotions. And as Brandi pointed out, she didn't make any threats. She didn't even name any specific people. She just expressed her anger and used some profanity. So the evidence that expressing your emotions is helpful includes Borkowicz's study with people who have generalized anxiety disorder. He and his colleagues found that when people did more emotional processing, they fared better. Those who held their emotions in tended to stay anxious into the end of the study. Similarly, Louis Castonguay and his colleagues found that those who did more emotional experiencing during therapy for depression fared much better at the end of the study than those who did less emotional experiencing during therapy. In other words, those who did more emotional experiencing tended to be less depressed at the end of the study. You can read about some of this in my book, The Anxiety, Worry, and Depression Workbook. There's 24 chapters, and one of the chapters is actually about emotional expression. So remember to express your emotions, let your emotions out. And you can do this in several ways. Read my book, or one hint is to just write about your feelings. James Pennebaker found that when people write about their feelings, they actually are physically more healthy, including that immunity levels actually improve when people write about things that they haven't shared with other people.